In this video we're going to talk about content, or website content. And this is a really big topic and we're going to have to cover off a number of different areas. So firstly, let's just talk about the different types of content that there are. There's video, there's text, there's audio files, images. It's a huge range of different mediums that you can create content in. But more than that, there's also lots of different ways in which you can deliver that content. So most websites have got a blog, they've got product pages or category pages, a home page, research articles, white papers. There could be all sorts of different ways in which you deliver content to your target audience through your website. Now we're not going to cover those specific types of content in this video. This is more a general overview of content to give you an understanding from an SEO perspective how you should be looking at your content, analysing it and making decisions based on that. So firstly, content typically sits within a wider strategy. So you might have a content strategy itself, but that strategy will be informed by a number of different things. What we mean by this is that, for example, you may be doing keyword research or trend analysis or some kind of social media research or competitor analysis that enables you to identify themes, keywords, groups of content or groups of keywords that you want to target by creating content. You've also got certain resources at your disposal. Maybe you have the ability to produce video content or infographics or images, or maybe you have a team of content writers or someone that can produce high quality content for you. There's also particular legal requirements and constraints in some areas. You can't say certain things without getting it approved by a solicitor or by an expert in that field. So there's a lot of different considerations and components that go into what content you're going to create, what type of content that's going to be. Other than the limitations of your resources or the legal requirements or restrictive components of what you have to or can't do with your content, typically the content is going to be user-centric. What we mean by this is that content is built for users. It's designed to address their needs. So there's also this component of understanding the demographics that you're targeting with your content and where that fits into the conversion funnel. So we're introducing a lot of concepts here. Let's look at the conversion funnel. Content typically sits somewhere within this. At the very, very top, you've got people that have never heard of your brand, have had no brand contact, maybe in some kind of initial research phase where they're not really looking to make a purchase. If you've got content to address this particular phase, then you've created some brand awareness at that point. The aim is to create content that fulfills all of the different levels of the conversion funnel, right down to the bottom where you're actually getting someone to make a purchase or sign up, whatever it is that your particular conversion is. By addressing each of the different levels of the conversion funnel, you can create content that meets a range of different user needs and creates a series of touch points along the path to purchase. Each of these different levels may require a different type of content. Video or text or image may be better suited to a specific layer, and also a different mechanism for delivering it as well. It may be that certain people or the type of person that's looking for your product will typically also be reading news articles on this type of content. And so you want to create content to meet that need earlier in the conversion funnel to establish that touch point of brand awareness. With the goal of creating business or revenue or profits from your content, the conversion funnel is a good guide to enable you to understand where your content can sit within that funnel, how it can help the user to find what they need by addressing their needs, and also to help you by pushing that user further down the funnel and making them more likely to convert at a later stage. So these are just some of the strategic components that you would typically think of when creating content. We cover things like video optimization and image optimization, along with a range of other components in this series of videos on content itself. So if you're interested to learn a little bit more about the types of content, then go and check out one of those videos. So that's all we've got to say about content in this video, but we do cover on-page content in another video which you can check out by following the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of our videos, subscribe to our channel or check out our website at raptor-dmt.com.